આજે તમે 29 વર્ષના પૂરા થયા અને 30મા વર્ષમાં મંગલમય પ્રવેશ કર્યો. પહેલું તો ખૂબ ખૂબ અમારા આશીર્વાદ. તમે આટલા વર્ષની અંદર કેટલાય દેશાવર ફરી વળ્યા, લંડનની અંદર રહીને જોબ કરી અને તમે સાહસિક છો, બુદ્ધિશાળી છો અને અગમચેતી છો, જેથી કરીને તમે હવે નવા પ્રગતિના સોપાન સર કરશો. દેશ વિદેશમાં તમારું નામ રોશન થશે, દેશ વિદેશમાં તમારા ધંધાના ડંકા વાગશે અને ઇન્ડિયામાં બી તમારા નામની લોકો વાતો કરશે કે ધવલભાઈ જેવા અમે બી બનીએ. એક તમારું ઉદાહરણરૂપ થશે અને એ થશે એ અમારા ખૂબ ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ છે. મારા અને મમ્મીના તમારી પર ખૂબ ખૂબ પ્રેમ છે, ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ છે અને ખૂબ આગળ વધો. તમને કોઈ અડચણ નહીં આવે જીવનમાં. દાદા દાદીના પૂર્ણ પ્રતાપે અમારા આશીર્વાદથી અને તમારા ધન પત્નીના ખૂબ સહકારથી તમે ખૂબ આગળ વધવાના છો, એમાં કોઈ શક નથી. અને ખૂબ આગળ વધતા રહો એ અમારા બહુ જ આશીર્વાદ છે અને વર્ષો વર્ષ તમારી પ્રગતિ થાય, પ્રગતિ કરતા રહો અને નામ રોશન કરતા રહો એવા મારા દિલથી આશીર્વાદ છે. જય સ્વામિનારાયણ, જય સ્વામિનારાયણ, જય સ્વામિનારાયણ.
ચાલો.
ધવલ, હેપી બર્થડે બેટા. 100 વર્ષનો થા, ઘણું જીવ અને તારું ભગવાન શરીર સારું રાખે અને કોઈ પણ કાર્યમાં તું સફળ થો અને તારી તબિયત સારી રાખે એવા મારા આશીર્વાદ છે બેટા તને. અને ભગવાન તને તારું કેનેડાનું પણ વહેલું થઈ જાય એવા મારા આશીર્વાદ છે. ચાલ, હેપી બર્થડે. જય સ્વામિનારાયણ.
જય સ્વામિનારાયણ ધવલ. વિશ યુ વેરી વેરી હેપી બર્થડે. અને તારું બધું પ્રોગ્રેસ થાય, સારું થાય, તું આગળ વધે એ જ અમારી ઈચ્છા. એન્ડ ફ્રોમ Prayag, Neil and Shiv as well. Very very happy birthday. Enjoy. Bye.
Happy birthday, Dhaval. Many, many happy returns of the day. My blessings are with you, and hopefully you will be here soon with me. I'll be looking forward for that day.
Happy birthday, Dhaval. Many, many happy returns of the day. Hope you're doing fine, and I'm sure કે તું ફટાફટ અહીંયા આગળ જલ્દી આવી જા. બહાર અત્યારે સ્નો છે, તારે જોવો હોય તો સ્નોના ડગલા તાર ખસાડવા આવવા પડશે અહીંયા આગળ. જલ્દી જલ્દી આવી જા તો રિયાન નહીં રમાડાય અને વેદ નહીં રમાડાય. રિયાન.
Hello, Dhaval Kumar. Happy birthday. Wish you many, many more to come. And we really, really appreciate you so much, making our daughter so happy. Wish you very good luck and a best year ahead, okay? Once again, happy birthday.
Jai Ram Ji ki Dhaval Kumar. Happy birthday. All the best. God bless. Jai Ram Ji ki.
Hey Dhaval Ji, happy birthday. Hopefully you were able to have a good birthday safely with those you love. I know this is not the ideal situation because of COVID, but hopefully we can all celebrate together soon. I hope you have a great year ahead. Stay healthy, stay safe, and wishing all good things.
To you, happy birthday, dear Dhaval Kumar. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, Dhaval Kumar. Happy birthday to you. Bas.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Dhaval Kumar. Happy birthday to you. Dhaval Kumar.
Happy birthday, Jiju. God bless you. Bye.
હેપી બર્થડે. જય સ્વામિનારાયણ. મારા બેટા આશીર્વાદ છે, સુખ શાંતિથી રહો.
ધવલ, હેપી બર્થડે. તું સુખી થા, આનંદ કર અને એક છોકરાનો બાપ થા.
હેપી બર્થડે ધવલ રાવ. જય સ્વામિનારાયણ.
હેપી બર્થડે ધવલભાઈ. જય સ્વામિનારાયણ.
Jai Swaminarayan. Many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Dhaval Kaka. May God bless you and you achieve everything in your life. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. I don't know what to say, but like હું નાનો હતો ત્યારે તમે મને મારી બર્થડેમાં બધી બહુ ગિફ્ટ્સ આપી હતી like અલગ અલગ બર્થડેમાં અલગ અલગ ગિફ્ટ્સ રાઈટ I remember કે તમે મારી માટે પેલી વીટી લાયા હતા કલરફુલ like which keeps on changing colors. I was so happy then કે મારા કાકા મારા માટે લાયા મારા કાકા મારા માટે લાયા and even when તમે જ્યારે અંબાજી ગયા હતા ત્યારે while you were coming back ચાલતા ગયા હતા ત્યારે તમે મારી માટે JCB લાયા હતા. I was waiting for you and તમે આયા હતા JCB લઈને આયા. There are so many memories we have made together. Like it's really like whenever you sit alone and you see the things that was actually a golden time or golden era. I like to say that like તમે છો મારા કાકા છો but you've always been like a friend to me. Like you've never treated me as my uncle. You always treated me as a younger brother. And I've learned so many things from you. To be honest, I miss you guys. Like તમે લોકો અત્યારે I miss your day. There are so many surprises for you, by the way. Enjoy your day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Dhaval, happy birthday. I wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, beta.
જય સ્વામિનારાયણ ધવલભાઈ, હેપી બર્થડે.
Hello Dhaval Kaka, happy birthday.
Jai Swaminarayan Dhaval Kaka, many many happy returns of the day.
Jai Swaminarayan Dhaval Kaka, happiest birthday. Enjoy your day with lots of fun and happiness.
Birthday Dhaval, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Dhaval bhai.
Wish you many many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday Kaka.
Birthday Dhaval bhaiya.
Happy birthday કાકા.
Happy birthday Dhaval Kumar.
Happy birthday Dhaval Kumar.
Happy birthday Dhaval Kumar.
Happy birthday Jiju.
Many many happy returns of the day. May this year is filled with lot of happiness and prosperity. And have a beautiful day. Stay happy and keep Sweetie also very happy.
Many many happy returns of the day Dhaval.
Happy birthday, Dhaval.
Happy birthday, Dhaval.
Many many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday Dhaval. Party hard.
Happy birthday to Dhaval. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Dhaval, wish you a very happy birthday. Me and Shruti will be coming to Gujarat one day, that's for sure. And we want you both, you and Aishwarya, to come to Kerala one day. And we are eagerly waiting for you both. So I wish you a very happy birthday. Stay happy, stay blessed, and just enjoy your life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jiju. Happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Oh. Many, many, many more happy returns of the day. Stay safe, stay blessed, have a wonderful birthday. May all your wishes come true and stay blessed. I really wish I could tell you that have a great party and all, but I don't know. I'm not sure if you could have a party over there, if it's like safe over there. So anyways, if you're planning to party, have a safe party. And hope you got a lot of gifts from Aishi probably. And yeah, I'm really happy to wish you on this occasion, like I'm doing it for the first time. And I really wish I was there too. Not only me, just Vivek also. We really thought we would come to Gujarat like this year, but no one knew Corona was gonna happen. And yeah, he also wished you happy birthday. And guys, please come to Kerala soon and give Dex some company, you know what I mean. He's badly in need of a girlfriend, so please give him a baby girl soon. And stay happy, have a wonderful birthday, and I'm really 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 happy to wish you on this day. And actually you're not just my friend's husband, you are much more than that to me. Like you're more like a brother to me. Like I never talk to any other friends. Like I don't talk to I don't keep much contact with any other friends rather than Aishu, so I don't get to talk to any of their husbands. So you're the only one, so you're the special one, and you're the only one who Vivek has spoken to. So I'm really happy about that, and I really pray that, you know, our friendship stay like this forever. And I'm looking forward to celebrate much more birthdays with you and Aishu. Let it be Aishu's birthday or mine or Dikshu's or Vivek's. I really hope we get to celebrate some function, some or the other together, because I couldn't make it to Aishu's wedding and Aishu couldn't make it to my wedding. So let's hope we get to celebrate something or the other soon. So I hope I get to meet you guys soon, and I really pray you have a wonderful birthday. Have fun, stay safe, stay blessed. Once again, a very big happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Dhaval. May God bless you. On your birthday, I just pray to God कि ए तुम्हारी बद्दी इच्छाओं पूरी करे. May you live long, you live happy, you live healthy, and भगवान तुमने 100 वर्ष ना करे. That's what I have been hearing throughout my life. So I won't, I won't do any injustice and break the chain. But yeah, happy birthday. May God bless you, and may you live for 100 years, or for how much ever you live. May God give you that much strength, and may He, shower His blessings on you. Okay, whatever you do gives you success, and in whichever field in future you go is full of success and positivity wherever you go and whatever you do. On quote of your birthday, I would like to tell you that thank you for giving all the love, the care that you give me. તમે મને તમે જે feeling આપી છે, safety, the positivity you have, the care you give to me, all that is so much important to me. And I would always want that in all my life, like not only this life, in all my life I have you as my partner. And I would like to say that whenever I have something, or I have a problem or something which is not good, which is not right, I always have that feeling that nothing is impossible for you, because the will is equal to possible. That's what you have proved. That's what you have showed me in all this time. You have taught me that if there is something you want, and અગર તને કંઈક તું કરવા ચાહે છે મનથી, કે કોઈક એવી વસ્તુ જે રાઈટ છે, પરફેક્ટ છે, અને તું કરવા ચાહે છે, so you have taught me કે એ વસ્તુ is not impossible. It is 110% possible. That's what you have taught me, and that's what you have been doing till now. So for me, you are more than a partner. You have given me so much that I always feel that you are more than a partner to me, and that's what I always say. On your birthday, on your special day, which is so big for me, which is so special for me, I always try to make everything, perfect for you. But always something will be, left, because no one is that much perfect. And no one can give that much, like 100% perfect to koi nathi hotu. And of course, mu to nathi. I know that I'm not 100% perfect. But yeah, whatever I have done for you, whatever surprises I have, got for you, I just hope you like them and you enjoy them. બાકી તો બધું તમને ખબર જ છે કે what I have for you, what I feel for you. This is like, words are not enough. Words થી હું તમને નહીં કહી શકું કે શું છે મારા મનમાં તમારા માટે, because always words will fall short to tell you something. But yeah, I just pray to God કે ભગવાન તમારી બધી ઈચ્છાઓ પૂરી કરે. All your small big dreams come true, Of course, each and every dream will be, coming true when I will be with you. Of course, 365 days I am with you, 24/7. You know that not for a single minute I want to, I don't want to spend a single minute without you. You know that. So that's what I want to say. Still, there are so many things I really want to say, but keeping in mind the timing and everything, I won't take too much time. Once again, happiest birthday, Dhawal. God bless you. Love you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to Dhawal. Happy birthday to you.